Hey everybody, I'm just making sure my audio is going before I do much. I wanted to drop in and say welcome to the new normal. You know my face, we've met in person, so here's my face. It still exists even though we're digital. Um, Here are the things you need to know walking into this week. We are started. The lovely thing about online class is that it can work according to your schedule. So when you are ready to get to work, get to work. Um, I have done a couple of things in Canvas and I want to show them to you so that you can see what's happening. So I'm going to do that now. So in Canvas, you can see my screen hopefully. This is the homepage. You go to the homepage for the course. Now what you're going to do is you're going to go under modules. The first thing that you are going to do this week is just walk yourself through this Start Here module. Okay, you're going to learn about navigating the course in Canvas, how the gradebook works. Some of this you'll know, but there are also links in here about how to function in an online course if this is new for you, and it might be, and that's okay. At the bottom of this is some information about how to function in discussions, which we're going to have to use for at least the next 6 weeks, and you need to be able to do this. So you need to participate in this introduction and getting started discussion. It's just like, hi, my name is whatever. It's proof that you can embed an image and that you can use the math symbols because we're going to need to use them as we go through this, the ability to discuss in this course. That is due on the 26th, which is Thursday this week, which means you need to get in there today, tomorrow, Wednesday, and do that. There's no reason you can't because you have the time on Tuesday that we would normally be in class. So if nothing else, you should do this during your class time on Tuesday. From there, the module for this week is this first module on section 7.4 and 7.5. I'm going to step you through it. So what's going to happen is you're going to come in, you're going to look at what's in the module. This is what it's about. You're going to do the ALEX, there's a practice sheet, and then there's a discussion. I am going to be in Canvas in the chat, which you can get over here on the right, or sorry, left, backwards. Okay, you can find that from 11 to 12 on Tuesday, and then I'm going to be here live in Zoom from 10:45 to 12 on Thursday. So you can see that. I'll show you that information as we go. So you're going to hit next. This is the assignment overview. It's pretty similar information. The next screen will have all of the notes and the recordings for the sections. So the PDF notes, the completed version, and then the video versions of both sections. It should be fine. The 7.5 one is new this past week, so that one I had to redo for you guys. The practice sheet is here. So what you'll do is you'll download this, you'll try all the work, you'll do your best. Please know that the rubric is down here at the bottom. If it's not about everything being perfectly correct, it is about the effort that goes into this. So what will happen is you will submit it as a file upload into Canvas. You can upload it as a PDF, you can scan it, you can take pictures with your phone and upload those, that's fine, just make sure it works. Late gets points taken off. If things are missing or not done, or you really just sort of tossed it, and you know how that goes, where you just kind of half-ass the work, we've all done it. You get part credit maybe, and then if it's incomplete, it's incomplete, okay? That's the worksheet. The live chat information is here. It will be on Tuesday from 11 to 12. Here's where you find it. Please know in the live chat that what happens is we're all in there together and we're just talking about the things we need to talk to about. If you want to just pop in and say hi, feel free. But the reason it's there is so you can come in and go like, oh, hey, I don't know how to do this. Note that it is public to our class. It's not me talking to you, the individual, you talking to me. That's called email or message. Okay, so the chat is public. So if there's something you want to tell me that you don't want the whole class to know, chat is not the place. All right. This is the discussion. The way the discussions are going to work is that you have to post 3 times a week. The job is to ask a question or answer a question. and it needs to be substantive. What that means is you need to be talking about math. I agree, good thinking, thanks for your help. Those are not substantive. As nice as they are, and you can feel free to use them, but they don't count as your 3. Okay, only questions with math content. I did this, and I think that I did this, and this is this right, and what do you think, and here's my work. All of those things count, but just like, yay, you, not enough, okay? That is going to be due on Sunday, just like the discussion, or sorry, the worksheet and the Alex work. And then the live Zoom will be on Thursday from 10:45 to 12. You can come for part of it. I will be there. This is a really good time to make sure your Zoom works and you know how to do this, that you can check your setup, that you know the tech is there. And as I need to reteach things and people have questions, I will do this. If you want to just pop in and listen to the discussion, that's great. My expectation is that you use this tool. I can't require it of you. It's just not the way we're going to roll here, but I expect to see you. So at the very least, a test. The other thing to keep in mind, and I think then we roll into the next one. So the other thing to keep in mind is at some point this week, I'm going to send you a note about the test for next week. Based on an email I got this morning from the dean, it looks like we can only use our normal test block to do that. So I have to think about that. I will be sending you out a message about that probably by Wednesday, sometime during the day. So please keep your eye out for it so you have all that information and you know what the expectations are. Okay, so when you are ready to start. That's how this goes. Alex, the worksheet and the discussion are all due by the end of the day on Sunday, which is the 29th. Okay, you can work at the pace that's right for you. If you need help, you need to ask. It is incumbent on you as working from home that you reach out. I can't see your face and know when you're confused, okay? If you send a message, I'll answer, okay? Pop into the chat conversation when we're there. Pop into the Zoom when it's alive. Use your resources, okay? The tutoring center still exists, just in a digital format. I am here. There are people in your class that can help you. If you need me to connect you to a study buddy, I can do that. All of these things will work. If you need something, let me know, okay? So that is how we are going to go forth into this week. That is all the details. If you have questions, can I say it again? What should you do? You should reach out. Have a good week. I'll see you a couple of different times, but good luck. Welcome to digital learning.